Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west in Rio Nuevo, same as Rio Nuevo, towards Tower Isles, St. Mary Parish. Turning off the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road onto an unnamed road. If we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Tower Isles, Prospect, to White River, Ocho Rios, and other places. The road is unnamed, however, there is a map link in the video description to the exact location. The unnamed road ends and we are turning back. We are back at the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road, popularly the Northern Coastal Highway. Going right will take you east towards Boscobel, where you can find the Fleming International Airport, towards Oracabessa, Racecourse, Galina, Port Maria, and other places. Making the left west towards Tower Isles, Prospect, to White River and Ocho Rios. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.